Hello, everyone, and welcome to this edition of Investing and Trading Live. As always, my name is Josh Lilquist. Today, we got a little different show here for you today. It's Sunday, the 13th of August. And it's obviously market's not open. We have the futures market and the Forex market opening up later on today, 4 p.m. for the Forex market and 5 p.m. for the futures market. We're going to take a quick look at the Forex market and see if there's any opportunities with that. But one of the things that we're going to cover here today is our plan for the week. We're going to do a show probably every single day. We're going to try to do it every day in the morning prior to the open to get some opportunities there into the open. And scanning for premium is going to be a big topic of the week. One of the things we're going to cover here today is steps of a trade or an investment. That being said, for sure tomorrow is going to be Monday. We're going to do that market open. We're going to probably start around 8 o'clock. So be sure to stay tuned for that. That will be live, just like every other show. We do every show live for you. That way there's no editing, and any mistakes that we make, we will definitely keep them in there. Also, make sure to check out the podcast on wherever you listen to podcasts and subscribe to that. If you could, that'd be great. Leave us a review, or even give us we do appreciate our 5-star rating. We got a 5 out of 5 star rating right now, so we do appreciate that. So make sure to do that on Apple Podcast, iHeartRadio, and Spotify. That being said, we're going to start with the currency market. Now, there was a couple opportunities that we had last week that we're going to just look at real quick, with one being the Australian dollar, Aussie dollar. This one has continued through our target, and we're going to be looking at a potential opportunity here short again, just with the momentum at 64.25, bringing it down to all the way to the 62.50 area. So that one is continuing that downtrend, which is great shorting opportunities. As we know, there's no recommendation on this show. It's strictly entertainment, my entertainment, and hopefully yours as well, purposes only. So that being said, I think it was the U.S. the dollar yen, can't even speak today. That's the edit we should have in there. That one respecting off of our entry point at 143.25, getting up to the 145 area. So we were now in no man's land. We will wait till we get back down to the 143.25 or up to the 145.75 to have any action with the dollar yen. And one last one was the New Zealand dollar. This one has gone through our daily dime, the 60-cent mark. So now we have shifted to no action with the New Zealand dollar, which a lot of people call the Kiwi. So let's get into real quick here these steps to a trade. A lot of traders, investors just get into a stock or whatever that may be and just go and buy it because of whatever reason. They think it's a great company, or it doesn't even matter. Their thought and opinion of it. Now, one of the steps to a trade is obviously your entry point, but you also need to know your exit points before you even place that trade or investment. That is the only way you can manage your risk. So that way you keep your risk small and your reward higher. So you have your entry point, your stop loss, which is going to be small, and then your target. That way you are protected on both ends. So you can walk away from your trade and investment. We call it SET. SET, stop, entry, target. So that way, one of the things I've been seeing with a lot of people, it's been helping with consistency and being able to manage that risk in their plan. So that way they keep that risk dollar amount the same, or the percentage the same. And that's how you can go back and back test any trade or investment strategy that you're doing. First off, you got to have that strategy, but then being able to back test that and see, okay, what are you doing? Is it doing well? Do I need to shift anything? Or is there a step within the process that you're not following? Just making sure that is going to be key. That way, when you're going into your investments, you are not having any issues with where are you entering or exiting. So that is the steps of a trade. Stop, entry, target. So that being said, we're going to cover a lot of that coming up here this week, and we're going to give some examples for entertainment purposes only. If you're on the YouTube stream, you can just type in Josh Lilquist on YouTube. You can see a lot of the videos there. But if you're on that, you might be able to see that. But we'll show the entry points, targets, and stop losses on hypothetical trades. So that way you can see what that's all about and make smart investing decisions based off of facts and not off opinions. So as we knew, this was going to be a short segment here. I wanted to get something out to you guys here today. We've had a lot of listeners as of late. So I do appreciate all the following, and make sure to subscribe. And we do appreciate that 5-star rating. So as always, protect your losses when they are small. Collect your profits when they are given to you. Retire young, my friends.